In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps. So please finish the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to know is if you have a stable internet connection. So you want to go to speedtest.net and check if you have a reliable connection. So the next step is to adjust your date and time. Maybe your date and time is not updated and may cause issues for Microsoft Store. So what we want to do is to right click on your date and time and click on adjust date and time. So you want to adjust the date and time in your computer. And if you don't, and if you can't adjust, you can just set your time automatically and also enable this set time zone automatically. So the next step we want to do is you want to hit Windows key and R, and you want to type wsreset.exe. So this command will basically reset your Microsoft Store cache. So you want to click enter. So this resets your Microsoft Store cache. So, and the last thing we want to do is to reset the Microsoft Store. So we want to go to our search bar and search for apps. Now we want to go to settings. Want to go to apps, and you want to go to installed apps. And we need to find Microsoft Store. So here we can see Microsoft Store. You want to click on the three dots, go to advanced options, and now go to the bottom and click reset. So this will reset your Microsoft Store application and hopefully solves your problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.